IDIADA is leading the Mediterranean corridor demonstration for ZEFES, validating MCS technology in our laboratory while building a complete 1 megawatt charging infrastructure, all in just 8 weeks. From May to June 2026, we are validating Hitachi MCS charger performance, testing interoperability protocols, and integrating EVIOM's energy management system. In parallel, we are building the demonstration infrastructure, 1,200 kVA transformer, 1 megawatt distribution, comprehensive safety systems, on schedule for the 1st of July. July to December, more than 100 charging sessions with real commercial trucks, 400 kilowatt delivered in 30 minutes, actual freight operations along the Mediterranean corridor.
EVIOM monitors every session in real time, with full traceability for ZEFES project reporting.
This rapid deployment demonstrates our agility and expertise, creating a foundation for our permanent 2 megawatt charging laboratory and positioning IDIADA as Europe's heavy-duty EV testing leader. IDIADA and EVIOM, from challenge to solution. The demonstration is starting in July.